How do I right-click on an iPad?
Hello and welcome to our tutorial. Today, we'll be learning how to perform the equivalent of a right-click on an iPad, which might be confusing for those of you transitioning from a traditional mouse and keyboard setup. However, don't worry. With a few easy steps, you'll master this in no time.
Understanding the iPad's interface.
Firstly, it's essential to understand that the iPad's interface doesn't work exactly like a traditional computer's. Instead of a cursor and right-click functionality, iPads use touch-based gestures. These are meant to be intuitive, mirroring real-world movements, and with a bit of practice, they can be just as easy and efficient as using a mouse.
The iPad equivalent of a right-click.
On an iPad, the equivalent of a right-click is a long press, also known as a touch-and-hold gesture. Simply tap and hold your finger on the screen where you want to right-click. After a moment, a context-specific menu will appear, similar to the menu that would appear with a right-click on a computer. Remember, don't rush. If you lift your finger too quickly, the iPad will interpret it as a standard tap. You need to hold your finger on the screen for about a second to trigger the right-click menu.
Right-clicking with an Apple Pencil or a mouse.
If you are using an Apple Pencil or a mouse connected to your iPad, you can still perform the equivalent of a right-click. For the Apple Pencil, it's the same long press gesture as you would use with your finger. For a mouse, you can customize the secondary click, right-click, in the iPad settings. Simply go to Settings, General, Trackpad and Mouse and select the option you want for the secondary click. And that's how you right-click on an iPad. It might feel a little different if you're used to a traditional mouse and keyboard setup, but with a bit of practice, you'll get the hang of it. Thank you for joining us in this tutorial. We hope this video has been helpful in making your iPad usage more efficient and enjoyable. Happy browsing!